Welcome to the Mellafella Crypto channel. I'm the Mellafella, back to share my adventures in crypto with you. Be aware this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Also, it's cold in these crypto streets, so always do your own research. Invest no more than what you are willing to lose. Protect your things and make sure you're taking some profits along the way. I'm doing a weekly update on my LIBERA Angels NFT journey. If you're not familiar with the LIBERA Angels NFT project, it's a project that offers approximately 1% in daily passive income by way of LIBERA BUSD, which can be converted into Binance BUSD. Despite what the website is saying, it is not offering up to 1.5% at this time. That was changed a couple of weeks ago. Before we get further, I do need to plug Quirks in Crypto. So we're doing our fourth episode of Quirks in Crypto tonight. It's at 8 p.m. Central. We're going to be talking about the Vulcan blockchain. And as a matter of fact, we're going to continue talking about Vulcan blockchain on Quirks in Crypto until Vulcan launches, and maybe even sometime after that. I'll be accompanied by one of my business partners, Making Poor Decisions. So he's going to be in the house with us tonight. And we may have a few other members of the Vulcan community, one being Brooklyn Hodel Vulcan. I see he's already made a comment. Appreciate you, sir. Looking forward to you being on the stream with us tonight, and would like for you to join us as well. So again, that's Quirks in Crypto, 8 p.m. Central. Tonight, we're going to do this every Tuesday night, as a matter of fact. And the wine we're featuring tonight, by the way, is Babylon Storing Babel Red Blend. So we're doing Babylon Storing Babel Red Blend. So again, hope you can join us tonight, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so going over where I am on my LIBERA Angels journey. So I have a confession to make. Last week, I mentioned that I had 15 NFTs and that I was not likely to purchase anymore. I had an opportunity come my way that I could not miss. So I picked up a 16th NFT, and yeah, I think I'm done, but which I think I am, unless I come across another opportunity like I did a few days ago. We're probably going to stay with, or I'm probably going to stay with 16 NFTs. Just as a highlight, I've been in this project for about 31 days, and my total Binance BUSD. I'm going to kind of switch and talk to this from a Binance BUSD perspective, because that's what counts, right? It's pegged to the dollar. My Binance BUSD takeaway has been approximately $860. I've put in, and that's $860 over a 31-day period, and this is me accumulating up to 16 NFTs at that time. So I just want to call that out. I didn't start out with 16 FTEs day one. Started out with one, and then added a few more, over a series of days to got me to 16. And I think I picked up 16 maybe 4 days ago or so. So just keep that in mind. I say that to say this. I anticipate that I will be able to capture roughly $1,200 a month in BUSD passive income from these NFTs. And we're going to, try and track to that. And I'm going to be reporting that on these videos. So that's the whole point of this, is just to document my experience with these NFTs. So far, I'm having a positive experience despite the rate of return not being as advertised. I have a plan, I'm working my plan, and I'm okay with the earnings so far based on the plan that I have set up. So I just wanted to get that out there. Okay, so a few changes have occurred with the NFT project. So we're in phase 2 now. And one thing that they did post is there's a buyback timer. So if you were to buy your NFT or your Angel NFT directly from LIBERA, you'll have 30 days from the date of purchase to sell that NFT back. I believe there's an 8% return tax or something to that effect, but you'll be able to sell your NFT back to LIBERA minus that 8% should you want to pursue it. But you have about 31 days to do that. My first NFT has passed that period, so the remainder of my NFTs are currently enabled for buyback, and they're going to start to fall off from buyback status in the next couple of days or so. So I think maybe half or more of my NFTs are going to be ineligible for buyback by next week's report. So just heads up on that. Now let's get into the tracking sheet. And again, this tracking sheet is only covering my first NFT. Okay. So last week I was receiving my percentage received from rewards was about 0.83% a day. That's kind of going up a little bit going into this last week, this last 7 days. This last 7 days, it's been about 0.85 or 0.84. It's been about 0.84%, which that's good. It's good to see a little bit of appreciation. I do anticipate it going up as we get into the summer, as I do think that there's going to be some market movement in the upper market movement direction for crypto overall. But as for my one NFT, my first NFT number one for me, my total reward so far has been 90.845, which equates to about a 30% return on my initial investment, and that's within the last 31 days. So I'm tracking to about another 2 months and 2 weeks to become whole on my first NFT and getting my initial investment back. Assuming this rate of return is going to be in the 0.84, 0.8 range between now and then. One thing to note, this NFT was purchased during phase one of the rollout. So phase one of the rollout of these NFTs, the purchase price at that time was 300 BUSD, which was at approximately 315, maybe 320 Binance BUSD at the time. Now that we're in phase two is at a rate of a 10% increase. So those NFTs now are about 330 LIBERA BUSD if you were to purchase them directly from LIBERA. So keep that in mind. So if you bought your NFT, if you currently hold an NFT and you bought your NFT after the start of phase two, you're not going to see the percentage gain that I have. So my percentage gain on my post or pre phase two NFT, so phase one, my percentage gain on my phase one NFT for last week is about 0.84%. For my phase two NFTs, which I have a couple, those are coming in at about 0.74%. So just keep that in mind. So if you bought, again, a phase two Angels NFT, you're probably seeing a 0.74, 0.75% rate of return. So I just wanted to clarify that point. So overall, I'm still satisfied with what I'm getting out of the Angels NFT project. Again, I'm tracking to get about anywhere between 1,000 to 1,200 in BUSD every month from these Binance BUSD every month. I am socking away some BUSD to get ready to sacrifice into Uxie Labs. If you're not familiar with Uxie Labs, we're going to talk about that too on Quirks and Crypto tonight. So do join us again. Got to plug that Quirks and Crypto live. So do join us again. It's going to be at 8 p.m. tonight. We're going to talk about all things crypto, Vulcan, wine, and I'm going to touch on Uxie Labs as well. So I appreciate you taking some time out and watching and listening to this video. Hope to see you again tonight on Quirks and Crypto, 8 p.m. Central. And until next time, Mella Fella is out.